So personally, I'd first want to commend the government for what they are doing in terms of introducing these projects, which in the long run we feel the intention is pure, that you want to uplift the life of Kenyans. For instance, the affordable housing project. Number 2 is the universal health care. Number 3 is the Hustler Fund, and number 4 maybe it is the UPI, which now they're calling the Maisha number. So on those issues, I want the government maybe to look at the limitations that are on those issues, so that they are able maybe to support and uplift the life of Kenyans. Number 1, for instance, when you look at the affordable housing, many Kenyans still they don't understand what it means. When you're coming to the UPI and the Maisha number, they don't understand what it means. So it means the government is failing in 2 or 3 fronts. The first one is on sensitization of the public. The public does not know what you talk about when you're speaking about affordable housing. Most of the public don't even understand the Hustler